Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About sin x to the power of 4, we can put into sin x squared everything to the power of 2. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sin x squared. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, we will have 2 sin x cosine x dx. Next, because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So we have sin x cosine x dx. This one we change by u. Sin x dx or sin x cosine x dx we change by the u over number 2. The integration of this one, we have r tan of u, and we put about c. About u, that's about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.